Today we're about to work on this platter. Look at this, really bad. This one's very nice. What we're about to do, we're about to replace this part right here, which, let me give you guys a little peek of what it looks like. This here is the issue with this platter. Sometimes these little wheels, you see how they are really nice and tight, very nice and tight, they go bad and you have to replace them. So we're gonna go ahead and replace it. So let's start by flipping it, and we know it's gonna be on the right side, so we can't forget that. Screws. Covers off, and now we're focusing on this side, but all of this has to come out. As you can see, this unit was already open, so there's a lot of marks in here. These marks literally telling you black for black screw, white for white. It's the way to put it together the proper way. Everything's gotta come out, everything. Now the rear screws, which you should have like 3. This one's actually missing one, so we're gonna put that right here in front of us. And next, we wanna disconnect all of this. Careful with these tabs. Take it all out just like that. Now here. Okay, back up. Next, all I'm going to do is just pry this up. Did I miss anything? Just make sure I didn't miss any screws. Okay, so what we have to remove is the temple. There we go. So this has to come off too. And then you pry this up and remove the remaining screws. Just like 2 under there. There you go. Kind of leave it hanging. Same with here. And up here should be another one. Let's move it out of the way. There's also another button here that needs to come off. And that exposes this. Boom. Now this should be freely, but there's also a little button there which is going to come off as soon as I pry it up. And we're going to put that right there. There goes our button. So now, I'm gonna work on it right here. Not going any further. So, this is it. We're gonna flip it. These little tabs. And remove this top cover. There we go. Put that to the side. Same here. Put that right there. Now we're gonna remove this. As you can see, trying to fix this in the past, but didn't do so well. So let's pry up this. And we're gonna add a new one the same way. Make sure it sits properly. Okay. And then you could do a visual inspection, make sure everything else is good. But it does look good. So I'm gonna put this back the same way that we took it off. You could do a little test too. Already feels better. Already feels better. Hey, so now we put it back together. We have everything all set, ready for testing. But you could do a simple test just by spinning. You can see this one, how it spins nicely. This is the one that we fixed. So let's see how that spin is. Not bad. Nothing compared to this side, but the improvement is amazing. And our main test is going to be the sides when you adjust the tempo. So we're going to hit play here. And we're going to try to adjust the tempo and make sure it works. So there you go. Yes. Yes, it's working. So our problem has been fixed. Thanks for watching.